Hello again. This is another. I continued with the Esperanza Rising book since it is a good book to show, um, I guess, the mixture of people and how everyone's life is not easy. And it kind of helps to make children a little bit more um, thoughtful, maybe, about others and what they've been through, and especially if they're coming from somewhere else. If children have moved in, I know this year I had a student who um, is an ELL learner. So, it kind of changed our classroom dynamic a little bit. And to see the empathy that other children showed and developed was very interesting. And again, that's part of the reason I chose this book of Esperanza Rising. It's a book by Pam Munoz Ryan. And but as a follow-up activity after reading activity, I would do this activity on character traits. And I like this character trait activity. You can do it for many different books. I've used it similar with biographies when we're learning about presidents, and you want that child to be able to go as big as they can. It's got the guide for them. Like I said, I teach second grade, so it has a good guide as far as the information they need to plug in there, but it also gives them a little bit of freedom to make it as big as they can also. So it's can hit on all different levels. So this is one of my favorite tools to use following a read aloud similar to this or other activities. This is an activity that fits every learner, and students can personalize it to their learning style. It can be as basic or as developed as the student who is completing it. So again, they would fill out the story title and the character that they are wanting to explain or tell you about. He tells them the different traits, and they have to go back and find the evidence, which is huge for second graders. They just want to put something down, but they don't want to show you evidence from the text. Or when they do show you evidence from the text, they want to copy it verbatim, which I don't take that in my classroom, but some teachers may. But to develop that writing skill, we want them to go a little and dig a little deeper than that. So anyway, after reading activity, I think this is a great one. I use it for many different things, but I think it's great following Esperanza Rising to for different characters, but especially Esperanza. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and maybe you can apply this in your room. Thank you.